Hello, welcome back to ManhTu Marketing Software channel. In this video, I will show you how to increase likes on a specific post inside a Facebook group. First, I will open my Facebook bot. This is the Facebook bot interface. The bot already supports multiple languages, so you can choose the one that fits you best. For example, English, Thai, and other available options. Just select the language you feel most comfortable using. Here are the available languages. Now I will open a random Facebook group from this list. You can choose any group you want. For example, I want to increase likes for this post. I just click on the timestamp of the post. Then the post link will appear and I copy that link. Next, I convert the link into a UID string. After getting the numeric UID, I go back to the Facebook bot. I open the Seeding Function tab. I select the account category that I want to use for liking this post. On the right side, I configure how the bot will run. First, I choose the action type post seeding. Then I paste the UID of the post so the secondary accounts know exactly which post to interact with. Next, I set the parameters such as how many posts each account can interact with. Below, you can choose different reactions. I will not enable comments. If you want to add comments or reply to comments, you can select those options as well. After finishing all the settings, I simply click Start. The software will run automatically in the background. There is no need to open a browser. All actions will be displayed in this column. The bot logs into each account, navigates to the post, and performs the like action. Previously, this post had no likes and no comments. Now I am increasing the likes. When you increase engagement, your post is more likely to appear at the top of the group. That is how I increase likes for a post inside a Facebook group. By doing this, your post can grow faster and reach more people. If you want to grow on Facebook or use automation tools for social media, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next videos.